So, good afternoon, and good afternoon, Miss Beautiful.
Thank you.
So, will you please introduce yourself first?
My name is Seki Chinquez. You can just call me Chang. Mommy Chang.
Okay, so here's the first question.
Go.
So, when did you come to deal with your identity, and how has it influenced who you are now?
When I was a child, actually in my part, fortunately it was not very hard for me because kanang my parents was able to accept for who I am. When I was a kid, I was able to show my identity. I was not unfortunately I was not like others. They find it hard to come out to show. It was okay. I was accepted by my family easily.
So, next, how did you get over challenges like fear, discrimination, or self doubt?
Well, I am a very brave person, and growing up discriminations from my day-to-day life, it was just there, and I just didn't mind it.
Wow,
Yes, and
that
like in the public, I um of course in our community we experience like bullying since from the beginning when I was a child, and I think it's very common, it's very natural, and no, I just didn't mind it.
you're just confident.
Yes, and my personality is very strong.
Yeah, that's the very good one. So next is, what is the value of LGBTQ plus representation in society in your opinion?
Oh, it is very important because as you can see, like in the different fields you can see us, we take up space in the different fields, especially in education, like teachers, doctors, in every professions you can found us. So I think it's very important because I think we contributed a lot in the community, in the society, and in my case, in myself, I am a makeup artist by profession, and now I manage water refilling station with my uncle, and hopefully by the next month another business I am going to run, and it's also for my uncle.
That's all.
And I think it's the part of the LGBT community. It's very important because especially in beautification, it's very important, and production.
Yes, because mostly of like in beauty field are part of
Yes,
LGBT.
yes. And I think it's very how do we say this? It's very it is like our community, the LGBTQ is very important in the community because um we bring joy,
Yeah.
we bring happiness,
Yes.
and I think it's very important, especially in our generation now, because like so many stress
Yes.
problems. So I think
That's one also of the
yes, I think
reason.
yes.
Next, go. So, did anyone or which individual, like family, friends, mentors, or the community, help you achieve success the most? Like kids.
um you know growing up, I think I can say my family, of course, and I think with help of my friends. I was just so lucky enough that I have
You
good
have
circle
them.
of friends, who help me whenever, like, when I have problems, and they I think it's really my friends who helped me a lot to where I am now. Yes.
Yes, that's good. And the last one is, what improvements in LGBTQ plus acceptance and right do you hope to see in the future?
Oh, That's a very good question. I hope someday that people will be more open. You know, but today in our generation now, I am happy that the society are now, you know, are open. It's now more accepting, unlike before. But hopefully in the future,
More
yes,
open.
like
And also like fear treatment.
yes, yeah.
So thank you so much for the small amount of time for you to be interviewed, and thank you very much.
Wow, my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.